All right, when it comes to simple interest, there are multiple ways to go about it. Now, there are some terms that are used with problems on simple interest. Now, the amount invested in simple interest is called the principal. So, principal, when we deal with simple interest, principal is the amount invested or borrowed. Amount invested or loan amount. That is the principal. So basically, it is the amount on which interest will be calculated. When we talk about simple interest, we also mention rate. Rate is the percentage paid as interest. Is the percentage interest. So rate is the percentage interest. And we also have time or period, which is the amount of time over which the money is borrowed. So time is period over which the interest is calculated. Period over which the interest is calculated. And then, of course, we have the interest. So, simple interest is calculated by multiplying principal times rate times time. Okay, so time, rate, principal. All right. That said, looking at this problem, we can identify the rate, the time. So investment of $1,000, that is clearly the principal right there. Simple interest rate, it says the rate right here. The rate is 4%. How much interest will you earn after 3 years? So this is the time over which the money is borrowed. So how much interest? Simple interest. So there are two ways of going about this. You could go by using the formula simple interest equals principal times rate times time, which that will give you 1,000 times the rate of 4%, okay, 4%, and then times 3 years. Okay, you want to pay attention that this is 1,000 times 4% is the same as 0.04, and then times 3 years. And that simple interest is, you can use a calculator to, so the simple interest equals $120 for 3 years. 1 year, you could also calculate the interest for 1 year and then multiply by 3 to get the total amount for 3 years. So that interest is 4% of $1,000. 4% is the same as 0.04 of means multiply by $1,000, and that interest is $40 per year. So that for 3 years, the interest will be $40 times 3 years, and that still gives you $120 interest. That gives you $120 interest